topics concerns in the following. What is a system? Computer-based information systems. What is a system? A system is a collection of components, or factors that interact to achieve a specific task, or a goal. Basic elements of a system. Input. Process. Output. What is input, process, and output? The inputs represent the flow of data and materials into the process from the outside. The processing step includes all tasks required to effect a transformation of the inputs. The outputs are the data and materials flowing out of the transformation process. Input, process, output model. The input, process, output model is a widely used approach in systems analysis and software engineering for describing the structure of an information processing program or another process. Many introductory programming and systems analysis texts introduce this as the most basic structure for describing a process. A computer program or any other sort of process using the input, process, output model receives inputs from a user or other source, does some computations on the inputs, and returns the results of the computations. The system divides the work into three main categories. A requirement from the environment, input. A calculation based on the requirement, process. A provision for the environment, output. Let's consider a simple example. The hospital is a system. A program might be written according to the system of the hospital. System, hospital. Objective, to provide a healthy persons to the society. Input, patients. Process, patient's safety is often contingent on correct and timely administration of treatment or medication processes through interactions of doctors and other resources. Output, providing a healthy citizens to the country. Example 2. A program might be written according to convert Fahrenheit temperatures into Celsius temperatures. Following the input, process, output model. The program must. System, temperature converter. Objective, to converts Fahrenheit temperature into Celsius. Input, ask the user for the Fahrenheit. Process. Perform a calculation to convert the Fahrenheit temperature into the corresponding Celsius temperature. Output, display the Celsius temperature. Computer-based information systems. A system, which converts data into information using a computer, is known as computer-based information system. Advantages of computerized information systems are data identification and accuracy, improved analytical capabilities, analyses not manually practical, can be easily done by a computer, graphs and charts also available, cost savings by increasing employee productivity, decreasing manpower, no need to keep duplicate records, copies, reducing files and their storing space. That should be in place for a system that produces high-quality information for decision-making and etc. Disadvantages, limitations, of computer information systems are manpower reduction for unemployment. A typical virus can wash out all the information stored in the computer. Then retrieval restoration of data becomes necessary. Computers' limitations should be, and they are not designed for automatic information generation or processing. An operator required to make data entry or supply information, programmer, to computers, error can give wrong or incomplete information or sometimes erase it, and manual becomes necessary. Mistakes can repetitive if not corrected in time. Consider a computer-based library information system. Some of the benefits to a librarian in using a computer-based library system. Ability to detect whether a particular book is available in the library and, if available, the location of the book. Ability to use a barcode to maintain issues and receipts. Ability to automatically calculate fines for late returns. Ability to search for books efficiently. Ability to maintain records of those who have borrowed books. Possibility to list those who have failed to return books on due date. Establishes an online system for remote reservation and searching for books. Ability to provide ebooks to members. A computer-based library system can be networked with the main office of the return of the library books by the student when issuing leaving certificates. Difference between manual systems and computer-based information system. Computer-based information systems. Manual system. Errors are minimal with data processed by a computer program. Since the data is manually processed, there's more space for error. Data can be processed more efficiently. Processing of data is less efficient. Large amounts of data can be stored in a small physical surface. Data software can be used for the purpose. Requires a larger space for data storage. Filling cabinets are required to store files. Security can be ensured with backups and use of passwords. Data is open to a lot of threats. Is not as safe as a computer-based system.